There's a fundamental shift happening in the world of data right now. It's something that's really redefining what it even means to be a data professional. So let's take a closer look at this evolution of data thinking.
And I'm not just talking about a minor update or some new trend. The very foundation of the field, well, it's evolving right under our feet. And that's where the problem is. It creates this huge disconnect. You have the industry racing forward, but the way we're teaching people to get into it, it's kind of stuck in the past. And that's leading to a pretty critical skills gap.
Now, this gap usually starts with something I like to call the tool trap. It's a really common but pretty misguided way to get into data analytics.
The conventional advice, the path you're probably told to follow, is to just focus on a checklist of software. Master Power BI, get really good at SQL, learn Python. The assumption is that if you just master the tools, you've mastered the craft.
But here's the crucial point. The tools are not the end goal. They're just instruments. The real differentiator, the thing that's actually going to create value, is your ability to think critically and strategically with data.
And focusing only on tools can lead to this really frustrating cycle. I'm sure some of you have felt this. You complete the courses, you collect all the certificates, but you're still left feeling unclear, unsure how to take that knowledge and solve a real business problem to make a tangible impact.
Now, this gap between just knowing the tools and having a real-world impact, it's getting wider and wider, thanks to one of the biggest forces in tech today, the AI disruption.
What's so interesting here is this clear division of labor that's starting to emerge. On one side, you have AI, and it's getting incredibly good at the technical, repeatable stuff, like building dashboards, writing complex queries, and generating reports. But what it can't automate is the human element. Businesses are now demanding people who can really understand a problem, connect the data to its real-world context, and then use that to guide strategic decisions.
And this brings us to the new paradigm. The whole role of a data professional is evolving. You're no longer just someone who creates reports, you're now someone who drives decisions.
We call this essential skill, strategic data thinking. It's all about the ability to move beyond the numbers on a screen. It's about asking the right questions, understanding what the data means in a broader business context, and then providing clear guidance on what to do next. That's what really separates a technician from a strategist.
Okay, so if strategic data thinking is the goal, what's the path to actually getting there? How do you build this skill so you can make a real impact?
Well, this is precisely the challenge that new ways of learning are designed to solve. There's a recognition that the old methods just aren't enough for this modern AI-driven world. And that's exactly why platforms like qriusai now exist.
This really shows the fundamental difference in approach. You see, traditional courses are focused on teaching you the what, the tools themselves. A modern curriculum, on the other hand, is dedicated to teaching you the how and the why. The focus shifts away from software commands and moves toward the actual process of thinking, of solving problems, and of creating value with data.
You can boil it all down to a simple but really powerful framework for growth. First, you'll learn the foundational concepts. Then, you practice how to think critically and apply those concepts to real-world scenarios. And finally, you develop the ability to lead with data-driven insights. Learn, think, lead. This is the path that takes you beyond just tutorials and into true analytical mastery, because it shifts the focus from learning tools to, most importantly, learning how to think.